Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to add a countdown on your live stream. First thing you have to do is navigate to obscountdown.com, as you can see here. From the list of widgets, choose OBS Countdown Timer, or on the home page, just click on Create and Customize Countdown Timer for OBS Studio. It works on Streamlabs as well because it's based on browser source. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a basic countdown only showing minutes and seconds. So first thing I'm gonna do is check this option here. It creates a cookie with my configuration, so next time when I want to create a countdown, I can just update the previous one. So if you have a configuration and you just want to change the number of minutes to count down from, you just come back, set the minutes, and there you go. Okay, so with that checked, I can also have a count up for those who want to run marathons or things like this. You just click on count up. But I will be going with a countdown function for now. I will be counting from 5 minutes. Obviously, I'm not going to need the hours. I don't need the text, so I remove that as well. And I am left with this basic countdown. Now, going further into the configuration, I want to change the font. I really like this one. It gives me some RPG feeling for some reason. I don't know why, but there you go. Okay, because I'm using a black background, I will be changing the colors for the digits and for the labels to red. Okay, the labels colors as well. And there we go. In less than a minute, we have a functional countdown. Now, just click on that button to copy the URL, open up OBS Studio or Streamlabs, create a new browser source, hitting that plus button, go into browser. I'll just name it countdown. Okay, just paste our URL there, set the size. We can play with the size later on and just hit OK. Right, here's our countdown. Now we just can play with it. I'm just going to trim, so I'll only have the countdown in that window. So there we go. Now we can just move it wherever we want on the screen. And that's it, guys. In less than a minute, we have a functional countdown. For the advanced ones, as you can see, here are a bunch of get variables, and every variable is explained here. So you can update directly in OBS Studio, or if you want the visual update, you can come back if you have the cookie saved and change the settings, copy the URL again, and there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.